Hi, I am Urja, and this is Atlas, an AI built teammate for hackathon developers built with Codex and GPT 5.6 for OpenAI Build Week. Here's the problem: hackathon teams don't usually lose time coding, they lose it deciding what to build and then explaining it afterwards. Atlas fixes that. It turns a raw idea into a scoped plan, a roadmap, and submission ready documents all in one flow. Let's walk through it. This drop down lets you select an idea. I'll use the default generic hackathon tool, that is Atlas example, but I can also switch to real projects of mine like Oral Guard, an oral cancer screening assistant, or CareBridge, a Slack based healthcare tool showing Atlas reasons across different domains, not just hackathon tools. I'll click Analyze. Atlas returns a clear problem statement, what's in scope, what to defer, a suggested build order, and text tag, all structured, not a wall of text. Next, I'll give it my available time, say 3 days, 6 hours day, and generate a roadmap. It breaks the work into day by day plan, flags realistic risks, and importantly protects a buffer instead of scheduling every hour, which is exactly the kind of planning mistake that burns teams late in a hackathon. Once the plan looks right, Atlas generates your actual submission materials. A full README draft, including a section exactly how Codex and GPT 5.6 were used, and a three-part demo script timed to fit a 3-minute video. The one you are watching right now was drafted with this exact feature. Let me switch the project selector to Oral Guard. Same pipeline, completely different domain specific output, and the tools and contribution section updates too, correctly showing Oral Guard was actually built with Python, Streamlit, and Gemini, and not the same generic tools every time. Finally, Atlas tracks its own build week submission checklist live, video length, repo sharing, readme requirements, session ID, so nothing gets missed at the last minute. One honest note, this demo is running in demo mode. You can see the badge in the corner. API billing setup took longer than expected, so responses here are illustrative rather than live GPT 5.6 calls. Atlas was built entirely inside Codex CLI. Codex scaffolded the server, wired every endpoint, built this interface, and handled debugging across the build, while GPT 5.6 powers the actual reasoning behind each step. More than anything, Atlas is a proof of its own advice. Instead of building the most elaborate version of this idea, and we went through a few, we built the version that could actually ship. That's what Atlas helps other teams do too. Thanks for watching.